Beautiful traders, what is going on? It's your boy Adri back with another video. Okay, so let's get into this. So last week I did my markups and I spoke about my Funded Challenge demo program or a practice run that I'm doing for myself. And I'm going to cover that today in this video. So I'm going to show you, the last markup that I had last week and where I thought price was going to head to and what actually happened. And I'm going to go over 3 trades that I took, this week or last week, and show you how it played out and what my thought process was going into those trades, right? But before I even dive into this thing, please do me a huge favor and smash the like button. Give the like button some love. Show the like button that you love the like button. You wanna hold the like button. You know what I'm saying? You wanna do some things to the like button. But yo, in all seriousness, hit the like button, subscribe only if you want to, of course. And without any further ado, let's jump into this thing. All right, so here we are. So this was what I had marked up last week. Let me just kind of hide this for 1 second right quick. I had said price was going to push down here based on what I saw on the higher time frames, right? Excuse me. Based on what I saw on the higher time frames, I was hoping that price would have gapped up, hit my trend line once more, and then I would have take an entry, write it down to the trend line here. Well, that didn't happen, right? When the market opened up, let me jump down to the 15-minute time frame. When the market opened up, it actually opened up down here. It gapped down here and then pushed up, broke this trend line, retested it, and continued to push up, which is cool. All right. But let's look at the trades that I took last week. I'm gonna just show 3 trade setups that I took. I took quite a few trades last week. Actually, to be perfectly honest with myself and with y'all, I took more trades than I wanted to, but it all played out really good nonetheless. Okay, so I had actually taken a short position first right in here, thinking that price was going to push down to my level right here, my monthly level right here. I saw, of course, price broke that monthly level, pushed up, made its way down. And I thought, this would have been a nice zone. If it pulled back right in here, I would have taken entry right in here. So, it pulled back to that zone. I saw, an engulfing bearish candle right there. And I said, all right, great, let me take my entry. Unfortunately, price continued to push up. Again, I was looking for this to just push down right into this level, a nice 69 pips, but it didn't work out, right? Let me go over 2 winning trade setups that I took last week. And I did take some other trades on my other pairs, but I'm not going to go over that. Again, if you guys want more details on other trades, other trade setups that I have throughout the week, check the description down below for my free Telegram group where I do share some of my markups throughout the week. All right, so let's look at this. Okay, now I had 2 trade setups for long positions here because the market was simply just showing me that it wanted to stay in a bullish momentum, right? It was forming higher highs, right? Higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, so on and so forth, right? So the market was certainly showing me what it wanted to do. So with that losing trade there, I just, I waited, I was patient. I wanted to see what the market was going to show me. I saw this push up, and what I noticed there was price pushed up to this zone right here, right? Pushed up to that zone, and let me actually make this a little thicker. Pushed up to this zone right here. It broke, retested, right? I saw some nice wick rejections, and I said, all right, great, time to get in. I entered on the 15-minute time frame, and this is what I saw on the 15-minute time frame. I saw this right here on the 15-minute time frame. I saw price rejecting, and I entered around right in here, right in there. Came down a bit. It came back to actually retest this zone right here, and then it just pushed up. It pushed up to this level right here. It created this zone right here. It created this level right here. And what I did, once price, I think it was about maybe 30 pips in, or what was it? I was 70 pips in. 70 pips in, I took profit right in here, and then I just left a runner to just ride. And then I essentially closed out the following day. Once I saw that price wasn't able to, push past this point, so I closed out around here, that last position I was holding, right? I took another long position right in here. Essentially what I saw was, again, I trade only break and retest of trend lines and support and resistance. That is all I trade, right? I keep it very simple. So again, look, you have resistance being formed right here. Okay, price broke through, came back, retested, and I just entered on the second bullish candle right in here. This is what I saw on my entry. Okay, I saw this simply. I saw this nice morning star that was being formed, but essentially I took my entry on this doji, this 15-minute doji right in there, based on that retest on the 1 hour time frame. And I had targets at my negative 27 extension. Price went up, hit that. I closed some profits and I left a runner. However, it was the Friday. It was the Good Friday, so obviously bank holidays. Price wasn't really pushing near the end of the day over in here. So I had actually closed out this position, the remainder of the position in the morning, right around here somewhere, right? But long term, I have it going a little higher, up to 166, based on my fib structure, which is about right here. My high, my A, my B, my C, pushing up. Sorry, that's incorrect. That's just based on this fib. Let me show you what I have actually for this week, based on my major fib structure, right? Let me go to, I'll show my 4 hour. Based on my major fib, I have price essentially pushing all the way up to 166, as I mentioned, but in the long term, 168 based on my fib structure. Obviously, price will do whatever the heck price wants to do. That's one thing that I always keep in mind. Price is like a scorned woman. She'll do whatever the heck she wants. She'll stab you in the heart and make sure you feel every inch of that blade going through your heart. Simple as that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I have. This week, I am sticking with a bullish bias this week. I already marked this up, but I have price pushing up to my negative 27, 166 price level right in here. Again, price can do whatever the heck it wants. I'm waiting to see if price will just push down again to this trend line. If price will push down to this trend line right in here, and then, I'll take, if it shows me what I need to see, I'll take a buy to 166, right? Let me just give you a little update on where I'm at on my demo challenge here. So I took the liberty of actually doing a my FX book, right? Just kind of, from myself, treat it as if this is my back office, because with these with these prop firms, they do have a back office, and it shows you essentially your equity curve and where you're at. It shows here that I'm at 1.89% for the week, but I'm a little more. There's one trade that I'm still active on that I was hoping to close out. It's actually a gold long trade. But again, it was a holiday. I didn't realize the market would have closed and you weren't able to trade, commodities for that day. In any case, excuse me, again, 1.8, this is my equity curve, right? My drawdown on this so far has been 0.13%, which is phenomenal, right? Typically prop firms give you, I think it's a max of 5% daily loss, right? Max of 5% drawdown. I hit 0.13, which is great. It lets me know that my risk management is on par, which is great. This is that gold trade that I'm in right here, this buy. I had opened up this trade with a 0.61 lot size. Again, 0.25% based on the pips and what I'm willing to lose, so on and so forth. And then once I had reached a certain amount of pips, I closed out majority of the position, left a runner. I hadn't realized the time. Also would have closed this out too. In any case, I'm essentially up 2.2% on this demo challenge. I think so far it's going great. I'm loving how, you know, the growth is going. I'm loving that I'm taking the time to be patient with my setups, with my trades, and I'm loving every moment of it, right? I'm really, you know, assessing where I'm at each and every time I take a trade, you know, before and after, and I'm journaling that, and I'm seeing growth, and I'm loving it. You know what I'm saying? I'm loving it. But we're gonna, you know, make sure we continue to, you know, do this thing, do some great things with this thing. I don't know what the heck I'm saying. But listen, that's all I got. If you like this video, please do me a favor, hit the like button, smash. Well, on my other camera, it said that the recording has stopped because the memory card is full, so it's all good. I'm gonna close that on this camera right here. As I was saying, if you enjoyed this video thus far, you stayed this far, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, only if you want to, of course, and check out my other videos. I have some nice gems in there for y'all to learn a little something. Again, check the description down below for my Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group where I drop my charts throughout the week and go from there. All right. As I always say, speak truth and speak life. Your boy's out. Yeah.